Boston, Massachusetts is home to some of the most luxurious condo buildings in the US. In this video, we will be discussing Boston's newest 51-story high-rise, the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower, currently under construction with a spring 2025 delivery date. We will examine the architecture, residences, amenities, and location, along with the floor plans and pricing. These residences represent the future of luxury real estate in Boston. The South Station Tower development has been in the works for over 2 decades and is possibly one of the most anticipated residential real estate developments the city has ever seen. At 51 stories tall, South Station Tower will comprise over 1 million square feet of residential and office space. The residential side will consist of 166 Ritz-Carlton branded condos on the upper 16 floors of the building. The floor plans will range from studio to duplex penthouses. The building at 700 Atlantic Ave will stand at 678 feet tall, making it the 4th tallest residential building in Boston and the 5th tallest building overall in the city. This project is being developed by Hines, a global real estate investment and development firm. The head architect is Pelly Clark & Partners, known for their work on high-end residential projects throughout the world. Interiors are being designed by Jeffrey Beers International, an award-winning design and architecture firm. Once completed, South Station Tower will be certified LEED Gold, a certification reserved for properties built with sustainability in mind. The iconic glass tower and new addition to Boston's skyline will be directly behind the historic South Station train and bus terminal. South Station was first constructed in 1899 and was once the busiest railroad station in America. The 5-story neoclassical revival-style station and the sleek high-rise bridges tradition and innovation. The architects have masterfully ensured that the new tower complements the older building rather than overshadowing it. South Station Tower will be a one-of-a-kind building. No other project in the city or country compares. The Ritz-Carlton branded South Station Tower residences begin 450 feet high and will deliver a full-service home ownership experience. From the 36th to the 51st floor, wrapped in glass and overlooking the city and Boston Harbor, these distinctive residences deliver high-touch design and modern convenience. The homes boast sweeping, panoramic views from high above the city, giving owners awe-inspiring perspectives and varying backdrops. Back Bay and Beacon Hill to the west, downtown Boston and the waterfront to the north, the Seaport and Boston Harbor to the east, and to the south, Fort Point Channel and South Boston. Owners will be able to watch the city come to life in the morning and enjoy dramatic sunsets in the evening. Starting in the kitchen, owners will be able to choose from 2 styles, a dark or light theme, both of which incorporate solid core engineered European white oak floors and custom cabinetry. Calcutta gold marble counters and backsplashes will complement either style choice. Each home comes equipped with a Sub-Zero refrigerator, Wolf induction cooktop, wine refrigerator, and Calista polished fixtures. The kitchens flow smoothly into the living and dining area, which functions as a formal entertaining space, as well as a comfortable setting for casual nights. Set along the perimeter to optimize views and light from floor-to-ceiling windows, the spaces, some of which will include a terrace, are open concept to accommodate a dining area, a multimedia experience, and a room for people to gather. European white oak flooring is consistent throughout, weaving the areas together into one welcoming and versatile space. The bathrooms will be generous in size, with an intuitive design and splendid finishes. Primary bathrooms feature Calista polished fixtures, including a rain shower, marble tile floors and walls, a soaking tub, a Calcutta Silo marble double vanity, and medicine cabinets with built-in lighting. Bathrooms are also outfitted with heated floor tiles and Duravit toilets. The primary bedroom suites will double as graciously proportioned personal retreats with spacious closets, ensuite bathrooms, and stunning views. Set on floors 50 and 51, the penthouses are remarkably expansive, some featuring double-height duplexes, all with premium views, and most with deep, wide terraces for outdoor entertaining. These 3-bedroom-plus homes bring an added layer of sophistication with grand kitchens that include Sub-Zero wine refrigerators, a freestanding tub in the primary bathroom, sizable walk-in closets, and spacious common areas. The Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower will feature just 7 penthouses, making each residence highly unique. The dedicated staff at the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower are expertly trained to assist residents at a moment's notice. Included with ownership is a concierge, which will fulfill nearly any request, from ordering flowers to making a dinner reservation or securing a tea time. Housekeeping, delivery management, package transport, and pet care can all be arranged easily. The concierge will arrange a food delivery or a chef for a private dinner party, find a dog walker or kennel, or even water your plants while you're traveling. The fully serviced homes let residents come and go without a worry. Valet service is also included. Each residence is extended by the vast array of amenities located right in South Station Tower. For an escape from the city, residents will enjoy access to an 11th floor sky park, which is nearly an acre of landscaped green space set 120 feet in the sky. Multiple lobbies provide an elegant arrival and departure experience. All entrances will lead residents directly to the private 11th floor grand lobby, which exudes sophistication. The 9th floor terrace restaurant offers indoor and outdoor seating. Unique to South Station Tower, the 11th floor, nearly 1 acre sky park, designed by award-winning OGB landscape architecture, invites residents to relax in a verdant oasis 120 feet above the city. The richly programmed, ample green space promotes wellness and relaxation. Residents can take an early morning yoga class, a midday break, or an evening walk through the green space, just an elevator ride away from home. Among the landscaping and gardens, residents will find wildflower beds, green lawns, grilling stations, and an assortment of seating options, all protected from the wind and hovering high above the city. Pet-friendly zones make it easy for residents to walk their dogs. Dining areas will have grills and elegant tables to entertain or enjoy outdoor meals. The club at South Station Tower is dedicated to several amenity spaces intended for owners' use and enjoyment, including a state-of-the-art fitness center with treatment rooms and saunas. Just outside, an outdoor lounge abuts the 75-foot-long pool with private lounges, barbecue areas, and outdoor seating. Meanwhile, gatherings can take place in the social suite, observatory, and professional-grade chef's kitchen. Owners can play pool or poker in the social suite, or spend the afternoon in the immersive sports simulator. Residents will have access to numerous workout options, all available in one place. From a variety of machines and free weights overlooking the terrace pool to a Pilates and personal training room, along with yoga studio, the fitness center is fully equipped. The 75-foot-long heated pool overlooking Boston from an elevation of more than 450 feet is exclusive to residents and their guests. In the social suite, the concierge can plan resident gatherings. With ample seating and an open kitchen layout, this is a space for indoor and outdoor celebrations, gatherings, or special dinners. On the west terrace, residents can relax on the couches by a fireplace. The crown jewel of the club is the double-height observatory, where residents can enjoy year-round group events. Tables for two line the curved glass wall with panoramic views of Boston and beyond. Ownership at the Ritz-Carlton Residences South Station Tower has benefits that stretch beyond the building itself. Owners gain access to Marriott's enhanced hotel reservation service, enabling them to enjoy a portfolio of luxury hotels around the world. The Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower is located at 700 Atlantic Avenue in downtown Boston, close to everything the city has to offer. The building provides easy, time-saving arrival and departure by any method of transportation, with direct access to New England's most connected transit hub, South Station, as well as immediate access to I-90, I-93, and the Ted Williams Tunnel. Directly outside is the 1.5-mile-long, 17-acre Rose Kennedy Greenway, a park which weaves through several neighborhoods and features markets, food and beverage choices, art installations, and more. A few blocks away, the 47-mile Harbor Walk outlines the shoreline, wharves, and piers of Boston Harbor, connecting neighborhoods, beaches, and open green spaces. For dining out, South Station Tower stands seconds from some of Boston's most acclaimed food and wine destinations. Just beyond the immediate radius, the surrounding neighborhoods comprise numerous choices from the Seaport, South End, North End, and Back Bay. For shopping, everything one would need can be found within and just beyond South Station Tower. A few blocks away, the Seaport offers a wide variety of retail options, from brands like Rag & Bone, Lululemon, and Sephora. Luxury designer stores can be found on Newbury Street and in the Back Bay's Prudential Center in Copley Place. Boylston Street has many high-end stores, such as Saks Fifth Avenue. For health and wellness, residents can pick from 2 different Equinox locations in either downtown or Seaport, along with SoulCycle and several yoga studios. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor in Boston, and I help people from all over buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you have any questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can find my contact information in the description of this video. Units at the Ritz-Carlton South Station Tower are being released in several phases, with prices increasing each phase. A $2,500 deposit will be required to reserve a unit. Floor plans range from studios to 4-bedroom penthouses. Studios will start at 675 square feet, with prices starting at $1.3 million. 1-bedrooms will range in size between 850 and 1,000 square feet, with prices starting at $1.5 million. 1-bedroom with dens will start at 1,100 square feet, with prices starting at $2.1 million. 2-bedrooms start at 1,400 square feet, with prices starting at $3.4 million. 2-bedroom with dens will also start at 1,400 square feet, with prices starting at $3.6 million. 3-bedrooms will start at 1,800 square feet, with prices starting at $4.9 million. The 7-unit penthouse collection will start at 2,200 square feet, with prices ranging from $8.7 to $16 million. Units priced at $1.8 million or more will include at least 1 deeded parking space. HOA fees will remain under $2 per square foot, cheaper than most comparable full-service buildings in Boston. The South Station Tower, Ritz-Carlton, caters to a discerning clientele seeking the best of luxury living in a global city. Those looking for a premium, full-service homeownership experience will find the Ritz-Carlton branded South Station Tower very appealing. Positioned in downtown Boston, its central location offers easy access to the city's best shopping, dining, and entertainment scenes, as well as the top institutions and office buildings. Investors will see opportunity for property appreciation in Boston's strong real estate market. The units will also have the potential to bring in high rental income with a hands-off approach, as the building's management will take care of any arising issues. The association with the Ritz-Carlton brand adds global appeal, making it enticing for international buyers when it comes to future resale values. In summary, the South Station Tower Ritz-Carlton is set to redefine luxury living in Boston. The 51-story ultra-luxury tower will change the city's skyline with its futuristic glass design. The residences, branded by the Ritz-Carlton, offer a seamless blend of sophistication and breathtaking views. The amenities are like no other and will change how developers build future condo developments. If you'd like more information on this project, available floor plans, or my spreadsheets created for investors, please message or call me anytime. Check the description to book a meeting, email or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.